Assalamu alaikum. Hi all. So we are here in Ghayathi right now. We have a new restaurant, Nafura's Shawarma. This is here actually near to the Ghayathi bus stop. So we'll see what the foods we have. They have many menus like especially they have the shawarma. Okay, so we'll see. So guys, this is Nafura Shamia, which is in Ghayathi, which is the Al Dhafra region. Away from UAE to Saudi Arabia, this is around 300 kilometers from UAE. But this restaurant is wonderful restaurant and good spacious seating and having wonderful grilled items like grilled chicken, shawarma, and you have spicy all dishes and you have like the drinks also. It's very hygiene and good place. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh yeah, good. So, what are the good things here? Good foods, special?
Shawarma,
Aywa.
whole machine chicken,
Okay.
Mexican chicken with the fries on charcoal.
Aywa. Okay. So, the timing? Morning at what time open?
Open at 8 o'clock.
Okay, close?
Close 12 o'clock.
Okay, inshallah. So, we'll have shawarma please. Okay? Now.
Okay.
Inshallah. Thank you. So friends, we got this shawarma. This is one of the like good arrangements. It's in Arabic shawarma. So we will see how it is. Okay. Nice arrangement. Yeah, super. So we'll have very nice, delicious. You have to try this shawarma here in Ghayathi. Okay, we'll see. So guys, wonderful shawarma. So don't forget Nafura, Shamia, and Ghayathi.